Good morning. I'm Padmapriya, Assistant Professor in Department of CSE in RMD Engineering College. Today we are going to see the topic linear search under the subject data structures. Linear search is the simplest search algorithm and often it is called as sequential search. In this type of searching, we simply traverse the list completely and match each element of the list with the item whose location is to be found. If the match is found, then location of the item is returned. Otherwise, the algorithm is returned as null. Linear search is the most basic and simple technique. It is mostly used to search an unordered list in which the items are not sorted. The time complexity of linear search under best case is big O of 1, and for average case it is big O of n, and for worst case it is big O of n. And space complexity it is going to be big O of 1. Now let us see the program for linear search. So the main files, the library files is going to be included in my program. So I should include IO stream using namespace standard files and all is going to be included. Now under the main function, I have initialized 4 variables. Out of that, one is going to be an array variable. So integer array of 10. So my array is going to be of size 10, where I can include, where I can store 10 integer values in my array, and an I variable and number variable and index variable. Now the next line is going to be cout. Cout is used to print the values which is going to be within the double quotes. So enter 10 numbers is going to be displayed in my output screen. You can see in the next slide. Now the 10 numbers I'm going to give as input. Now let us consider 1 to 10 numbers I'm going to give. So these input values and all are going to be taken by cin array of I using the for loop. Okay, instead of typing the cin 10 times, I'm going to use the for loop where this cin, the input stream is going to be taken for 10 times. After that, I'm going to type enter a number to search. So which is going to be displayed in my output screen. So using the cout. Now I'm going to give a value which is going to be taken by the cin. So the number which I'm going to enter is going to be the number to be searched. The number to be searched. And this number is going to be saved in the num variable. Now, using the for loop, I'm going to search the complete array with this search element. So for this, I'm going to use my for loop. So for I is equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. Now, using the if statement, I'm going to do the comparison. So array of I. So I value is 0. So array of 0. So the value which is in the position array of 0, that is in the 0th position, is going to be checked with the number variable, that is the value 5 which has been saved in the number variable. Now if these two elements are going to be equal means, then the index variable is going to be assigned with the I value. That is the I value, the currently which is in the for loop. And the next statement is going to be the break statement. So the loop is going to be breaked and it will be coming out of the loop. So if the value is not going to be same means, it will be continuing with the next element in the array. Okay. So until the last position, until the last element in the array, it is going to be searched for. Now, the element which is going to be in the 0th position is 1. 1 is not going to be equal to 5. So I'm going to go for the next statement, next I plus plus, I value is going to be 1. So in this element, in this position, the element is going to be 2. 2 is not equal to 5. So I plus plus 3. 3 is not equal to 5. So I plus plus 4. 4 is not equal to 5. So I plus plus 5. Array of 4, the position array of 4, the element is going to be 5, which is going to be matching with the search element. So now the index is going to be 4. That is the I value is going to be 4. Now I'm going to break the loop. I'm going to come out of the loop and I'm going to print found at index number. The value which is going to be in the variable index is going to be printed. So found at index number 4. Now I'm going to end my program. Okay. So this is going to be my program for the linear search. So the search element is going to be searched with the each and every element in the array one by one. So linearly one after the other, the number is going to be searched for. And if the match is going to be found means the position of the data which is being present in the array is going to be returned. Otherwise, it will be returning it as null. Thank you.